Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make a rich, creamy, buttery, umami avocado sauce with Vegemite. I'm using 1 ripe avocado, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup tahini, 1 teaspoon Vegemite. If you can't find it, you could use little bit of salt, and 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice. It's rich, creamy, buttery, nutty, intense and umami flavor. It's delicious. I wish you'll try it.